We were all watching, and everyone from Samoa, all the Samoans around the world, are very proud to support you. We are very humbled to be part of your journey, and we thank you for allowing us to be part of that. We know you've still got things ahead of you that you will continue to do, and we pray that God blesses you in all that you do and in all your preparations. And I'm sure whatever you do, Samoa will always be proud of what you've done. So thank you for your efforts. Thank you for letting National Bank of Samoa be part of that. And we are watching, supporting, and anything we can do to help, we'll definitely do what we can to support you guys on your journey. The girls are really keen. The team is really keen. They really want to support you.
Now we have ahead of us the New Zealand, Australasian and Samoa now schoolboy championships, which we're taking a team of 8 or 10 young, all in school. That's in 4 weeks, and then in 5 weeks we have the OWF Elite Olympic tournament in Melbourne, and training camp for a week after that. So everything now is all hard work, heads down, especially for the Olympic qualifiers, and to try and achieve that dream of winning Samoa's medal, or Samoa's first gold medal, which is all on their shoulders now. A lot of work has to be done in 3 months. We have 3 months now left. A lot of training camps, a lot of overseas tournaments prior to that. So yeah, that's just a brief report of what's going on, but I just very briefly, on behalf of Samoa Weight Lifting Federation, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you, NBS Bank, General Manager, and of course all your lovely staff here who've been assisting us. Thank you for standing behind the name behind the weightlifting team, for not only last year but this year. And we've been proud to take on the bank for this year, and we look forward to working together more, as bigger things to come and more things to come this year. So yes, we just wanted to come and show our appreciation and say thank you very much. And we wish you all the best of health, all the best in business. Like I said, this is the Golden Bank, because you are now behind the Golden Team.
Amen.
So NBS Bank is the Golden Bank, and God bless, and all the best for today.
Yes, thank you.